In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subscribers to Aweber. Whether you're bringing in a single contact or importing a list, I'll walk you through each screen so you know exactly what to expect and why each choice matters. Start by opening your browser and searching for Aweber. Click the official Aweber website to avoid lookalike pages, then sign into your account. Once you're in, head to the Subscribers tab. This is your hub for managing individual contacts and bulk imports. To add a single person, click Add Subscribers and choose Add one at a time. Enter the subscriber's name and email address. Make sure you have permission to email this person. This helps protect your deliverability and keeps your account in good standing. Next, add tags to help you organize future campaigns. Tags are short labels like newsletter, customers, or webinar that let you segment and target the right people later. When you're finished, click Add Subscriber to save. If you're working with a list, you can import multiple subscribers instead. Click Add Subscribers and select the Import Multiple option. Choose Browse for File and upload your file from your computer, then click Next to map fields. On the mapping screen, match the columns from your file, such as email and name, to the fields in Aweber. Take a moment to double-check these, because accurate mapping ensures your data is clean and usable. You'll be asked how you want to process this import. Pick Only Add New Subscribers if your file mostly contains new contacts. Choose Add New and update existing subscribers if you want Aweber to add missing people and refresh details for those already on your list. Or select Only Update Existing if you're strictly making changes to contacts you already have. Next, you'll see the Confirm Opt-in step. Decide whether new subscribers should receive a confirmation email before being added. Double opt-in can improve list quality, while single opt-in is faster. Choose what fits your compliance needs. Continue to More Options, where you can add option tags. These tags apply to everyone in this import and are great for tracking the source or campaign. Then proceed to Background Info. Indicate how these subscribers joined your list and whether they're coming from another email provider. This context supports compliance and speeds up approvals. When everything looks good, submit your import. You'll see a notification that your import is processing. Large files can take a bit, but you can continue working in your account. Once it's done, your new subscribers and tags will be ready for your next campaign.